To chit or not to chit? The 2026 season is officially moving, and today we're talking about one of the biggest debates in the gardening world. To chit or not to chit? I've got my Casablanca first earlies and my Charlotte second earlies ready to go, so let's break down why this extra step matters. What is chitting? For those new to the plot, chitting is simply waking the potato up. By placing your seed potatoes in a cool, bright spot, usually in an old egg box, we encourage those sturdy green shoots to develop before they ever touch the soil. The advantages. So why do I do it? First, it's a race against time. Chitting can shave 2 to 3 weeks off your growing time. For a variety like Casablanca, that means harvesting before the pests and the summer heat arrive. Second, it's about quality control. If a tuber doesn't sprout on the shelf, it's a dud. By chitting, I know that every potato I plant in my beds is a guaranteed winner. Plus, these light-grown sprouts are tough. They aren't those weak white shoots you see in a dark cupboard. These are built for the front lines. The other side of the fence. But it's not all sunshine and sprouts. The anti-chitting crowd will tell you that it's easy to snap those shoots during planting, which can actually set the plant back. And let's be honest, if you're planting hundreds of main crops, finding the space for rows of egg boxes can be a real headache. The verdict. My verdict, for first and second earlies like these, chitting is a no-brainer. It's the best way to ensure a heavy, early harvest of those delicious new potatoes. We're giving these plants a pre-season training session so they're ready to hit the ground running. But what about you? Are you an egg box sprout person, or do you go straight into the ground? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Herculean allotment updates. Let's get growing.